Are you looking for the best card for international dollar payments in Nigeria as at today? Stop. Watch this video. In this video, we're going to be talking about this service, this app that allows you to make international transfers, international payments right here from Nigeria without exorbitant prices, without exorbitant charges. So if this is something that you really are looking for this information, then you are in the right place. A lot of Nigerians, we struggle with making payments internationally because of the restrictions that we have in our financial sector. So if you're in this make money online space, you do freelance, you do a lot of work online, you know that it is important to be able to buy stuff online on sites like Shein, AliExpress, Apple Pay, Google Pay, international shopping sites, but there are a lot of restrictions. So this card is the best card to use to make your payments internationally. The beauty of this app is that it has no restrictions, low charges, and you can fund it with crypto. So you are not having the issue of, oh, you cannot use Nigerian banks to fund this particular app. The app that I'm talking to you about is called REDOTPay app. Check the description and the pinned comment for a link to download the app. With REDOTPay app, you can get a virtual card. You can get a virtual card and a physical card for your payment, and it's really very simple. With $10 you get your virtual card, and if you want a physical card that you can use on ATMs all around the world, you just need $100, and you can fund your account with crypto. Actually, you need to fund your account with crypto on Redot app, so you can use your USDT, any crypto platform, any cryptocurrency from another crypto site. Redot doesn't you don't buy and sell crypto on REDOTPay app. No, it's just that you can fund your wallet with your crypto. So if you have crypto in other on other apps, all you just need to do is to transfer that to your REDOTPay app, okay, and you buy dollars and fund your card. Very simple transaction, very simple. So how do you get started? Like I said, use the code on the screen to get $5 when you register immediately. Also, you can also use the link in the description or in the comment section. So when you download the app, you want to register, right? And the process of registration is very simple. I will walk you through the process right now. So to register, you need to put in your name, your password, and the referral ID you can see on the screen. This code that you are seeing on the screen, that is the referral ID. So you put it in and you register. You are in. Once you register, you will be sent a verification code. So when you click on get code, then you put in the code. So when you pass through that verification stage, you get access into the app. When you get in, you are going to be asked if you are a resident of the United States of America or you are a non-resident. So what you want to put in is that you are a non-resident if you are not based in America, if you are based in any other country. Then you'll be required to complete your verification, because this is finance that we're talking about. So it is important that you are well verified on the platform. For verification, it's a 3-step process. You are going to need your profile details, okay, which is what you've already registered with your email, your name, and all of that. Please use the same name that is on your identity documents. So the next one is your identity document. Your identity document could either be an ID card, your driver's license, your international passport, or your residence permit. Any of these, if you are not based in the US, can work as a valid means of identification. So once they confirm that that's your, so you have to take the pictures very clearly, okay? Don't just take any just type of picture and upload. So take your time, take the pictures well, then you upload it. Then the next step is to take a selfie. So what you want to do is to go to a place that the place is clear, preferably if you can go outdoor, so that the selfie camera can capture your face with your ears. So if you're a lady, you are wearing a hair like this, you want to just take it back so that your ear will show. All right, so it's fast and you don't encounter any form of challenge. So once you follow these 3 steps in order to get verified, and they verify your identity, your details, you go to the next stage. So that's why your profile details, don't go and put XXS as your name. Use the name in your government identification. All right, so it makes it easier, because if the name you use to register and the name on your identity document does not tally, then the verification will not go through. So please bear in mind, use the name when you are registering. Use your government's name, then you ensure that it tallies with the name that is on your identification documents. It is also important to note that you will be snapping your identity document with the camera in the REDOTPay app. So please bear that in mind. So stay in a clear place when you want to snap your identity document, the face of your identity document. You need to clean your camera lens so that it is clear and bright, without it being shaky, without it being blurry. Because if it is blurry, they will not accept it. So ensure that when you are taking the picture of your identity document, your hand is stable, it is not blurry, it is clear and crisp. After you have done through all of this, that is when you'll be able to purchase the virtual card. So if you've not done your email verification, your mobile verification, as well as your identity verification, you will not be able to purchase the virtual card. But once you have scaled through all this process of verification, then you can now go ahead to purchase the virtual card. Like I said when we started, you can purchase the virtual card for $10. Very simple. How do you purchase the virtual card? All you need to do is to transfer money from your crypto wallet into the REDOTPay crypto wallet, whichever of the currencies you want to use. You transfer. Once you transfer it, you bring it in the app, then you change it to dollars. Okay, in the app, you can do all of that within the app. Then you now load, because you've already loaded. When the money is loaded in the app, then you can now say you want to pay, so they'll deduct the money from there. Very simple. Then if you want to apply for the physical card, okay, this physical card, you can use it anywhere in the world, on any ATM. So you will now have to go a step further and provide further details like your address. You understand? Then they'll deliver it to you. It's very, very simple to make use of the REDOTPay virtual cards and cards. So you can use it to make payments or for your website subscription, AI subscription. You can pay for entertainment like Netflix, Shein, AliExpress, all those sites. You can make use of this app, so you are no longer restricted. And the beautiful thing is that they don't have exorbitant prices. It's not like some other virtual card companies that they will have to change to dollar, and their dollar rate will be higher than what is obtainable. Do you understand? So because you are converting from crypto to dollar, it is at the official rate, so the rate is not high at all. So you are able to do your transactions without any form of limitation. You can make payments anywhere in the world. All right, so if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. Download the REDOTPay app. I'm going to put the referral code here as well as in the comment section. This is the best payment app internationally right now if you live in Nigeria or any other country aside Nigeria. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.